Not every beautiful garden needs constant attention and maintenance. Plant breeders are now introducing new perennial cultivars that are designed to grow stronger, bloom reliably, and thrive with very little care. In this video, we're looking at 7 new low-maintenance perennial cultivars that make it easier than ever to create a beautiful garden. Number 1. Amsonia Storm Cloud. Amsonia Storm Cloud is a standout perennial known for its elegant blue spring flowers and dramatic dark stems. The soft star-shaped blooms appear in clusters above lush foliage, creating a calm and refined look in the garden. Even after flowering, the plant continues to look attractive thanks to its full leafy structure. One of the reasons this cultivar is so appealing is its incredibly low-maintenance nature. Once established, it becomes very drought-tolerant and rarely needs extra attention from the gardener. The plant naturally grows into a tidy clump, meaning it usually doesn't require frequent pruning or dividing. In the landscape, Storm Cloud works beautifully in the middle of sunny borders, where its airy flowers can mix with surrounding plants. Its strong structure and reliable growth make it an excellent choice for gardeners who want a perennial that performs well year after year with minimal effort. Number 2. Geum Blazing Sunset. Geum Blazing Sunset brings vibrant color and easy care to the perennial garden. Its bright red semi-double flowers rise above compact green foliage, creating a lively burst of color in late spring and early summer. The flowers sway gently on slender stems, adding movement and brightness to the border. This cultivar is appreciated for its tidy growth and dependable blooming habit. It thrives in full sun or partial shade and adapts well to a variety of soil conditions. Compared to older Geum varieties, it tends to be more resilient and easier to maintain throughout the growing season. In garden borders, Blazing Sunset works wonderfully toward the front or middle, where its glowing flowers can stand out. Combined with coneflowers, salvias, or ornamental grasses, it creates a garden that stays colorful and lively with minimal effort. Number 3. Veronica Skyward Light Pink. Veronica Skyward Light Pink is a refined perennial that brings soft color and vertical texture to garden borders. Its slender spikes of pale pink flowers rise above neat mounds of foliage, creating a graceful and elegant display. The gentle color blends easily with many other plants, making it very versatile in mixed plantings. One of the best qualities of this cultivar is its long bloom season with very little maintenance. Veronica varieties are known for their durability, and this one continues that tradition by producing flowers reliably throughout late spring and into summer. With occasional deadheading, it may even continue blooming longer. In the landscape, Skyward Light Pink fits beautifully in the middle of sunny borders, where its upright spikes can weave between neighboring plants. Paired with coneflowers, salvias, or ornamental grasses, it helps create a garden that stays colorful and lively with minimal effort. Number 4. Rudbeckia Treasure Trove. Rudbeckia Treasure Trove is a vibrant perennial that brings bright golden color to the garden with very little effort. Its star-shaped yellow flowers appear in abundance, creating a cheerful display that instantly lights up the border. The blooms stand above sturdy green foliage, forming a dense and lively clump of color. This cultivar is valued for its reliability and improved disease resistance compared to older Rudbeckia varieties. It thrives in full sun, tolerates heat and dry conditions, and continues blooming for a long stretch of the summer season. Once established, the plant requires very little care beyond occasional watering during extreme drought. In the landscape, Treasure Trove works beautifully in the middle of sunny borders, where its bright flowers can anchor surrounding plants. Combined with ornamental grasses, salvias, or coneflowers, it helps create a vibrant planting that stays colorful with minimal maintenance. Number 5. Aurelia Sun King. Aurelia Sun King is a bold foliage perennial that instantly brightens shaded areas of the garden. Its large, tropical-looking leaves glow in a rich golden chartreuse color, creating a striking contrast against darker green plants. Even without flowers, the foliage alone makes this plant a standout feature. One of the reasons gardeners love Sun King is its toughness and ease of care. It grows well in partial shade and adapts to many soil conditions, forming a large, lush clump over time. Once established, it rarely requires pruning or special maintenance. In the landscape, Sun King works beautifully in woodland gardens or shaded borders, where its bright foliage can illuminate darker corners. Planted near hostas, ferns, or brunnera, it helps create a lush, layered planting that feels both dramatic and easy to maintain. Number 6. Penstemon Lavender Sapphires. Penstemon Lavender Sapphires is a graceful perennial known for its elegant spikes of lavender purple flowers. The tubular blooms rise above tidy green foliage, creating a light and airy texture in sunny borders garden. The soft color also blends easily with many other perennials. This cultivar is appreciated for its durability and low-maintenance nature. Once established, it tolerates dry conditions and continues blooming throughout much of the summer season. Its flowers also attract bees and hummingbirds, adding life and movement to the garden. In the landscape, Lavender Sapphires works beautifully in the middle of sunny borders, where its vertical spikes can weave between neighboring plants. Paired with grasses, salvias, or coneflowers, it helps build a layered planting that remains lively with very little effort. Number 7. Crocosmia Peach Melba. Crocosmia peach Melba is a vibrant perennial that adds warm color and graceful structure to the garden. Its arching stems carry clusters of soft peach-orange flowers that appear in mid to late summer, creating a bright and lively display. The sword-like foliage gives the plant an elegant shape even before the blooms appear. One of the reasons this cultivar is so appealing for easy gardens is its resilience and low maintenance requirements. Once established, Crocosmia grows reliably each year from underground corms and tolerates heat and periods of dry weather. The plant rarely requires special care and continues producing beautiful flowers season after season. In the landscape, peach Melba works beautifully toward the middle or back of sunny borders, where its arching flower stems can rise above surrounding plants. Paired with ornamental grasses, salvias, or coneflowers, it helps build a layered planting that remains lively with very little effort. Low-maintenance perennial cultivars like these make it easier than ever to create a beautiful garden without constant work. With stronger growth, improved resilience, and reliable blooms, modern plant breeding continues to simplify gardening for everyone. If you enjoyed this list, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me which low-maintenance perennial you'd love to plant in your garden.